Alright, it's rolling. Okay. I look huge next to
I
you.
should probably put some deodorant on.
Okay, then go put some on. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I can't. Oh, a dimple right there. Okay.
Welcome back to her channel.
This is Annalie, not Emily. Okay.
Uh,
Alright, we're doing stretches.
partner stretches.
What should we start with? I think we should start with that
Which
one.
one's the easiest? That one looks the easiest, yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's do this. We have to go back to back.
Okay.
And then, so scoot over. Okay. Now we just have to...
We should lean on each other.
Well, we have to lean on each other and squat. Hang on.
See, you can't.
Okay, hang on. Go back
You
up.
push me.
Okay. Alright, we have to do it again. We have to, like, squat simultaneously, like, at the same time.
We have to put pressure on each other's backs. Like, you kept leaning forward. You need to lean back more.
But I weigh more than you.
No, but you got to see you're, like, leaning forward like that. Push back. Like that, yeah.
Squat.
I think we did it.
Our legs need to be more out. Like, it has to be a 90-degree angle.
They are out. There
Okay,
we go.
squat.
That's it. Oh, yeah,
Hey.
baby. You can't move.
Check. Here's the next one.
That's the one we're doing.
Okay. I'm not this flexible.
I don't think I am either. Should we stretch for
I
that?
think we should go further out. Okay.
Oh! I feel like this might not work.
I can't even straighten my legs. That's how sad this is. All right, let's do 90-degree angle. Hold
At the same time,
hold your feet up a little bit more.
reach. At the same time, wait, no, go back again. We have to use momentum to get to each other.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Maybe we should hold hands first.
I'm so sweaty already.
Okay.
Straighten them. Okay, that kind of works. These are like the easiest ones. All right, I think that one's easy. Okay, there. All right, so we need a reference. Okay, so you actually have to do a wall squat. So you should probably do it on that wall.
Why can't you do it?
I can do it. But you have to bend down. In this picture, she's just keeping her arms flat, but in the other one,
I have to do it, yeah, like that thing.
okay. Let me get into the wall sit first. Put your hands on me and kick your legs out.
Alright.
As far as you can, like your butt needs to be flat. Yeah, now do a bend.
Nice!
Should have done that
one first.
We should have done that one first. That was easier. Oh, brother.
This one, probably.
Okay. Just for now, that'll work. You're gonna...
Which one am
I want you to do the squat.
I? Okay.
We're gonna be sore tomorrow.
Sumo squat.
That way they can see an angle.
Yay. Ground kick.
Okay. Now you're gonna have to hold the squat for a little bit. There you go. Okay. So go down. Okay. Now I have to.
Do not kick me.
Your legs have to be more flat. You're like this. Whoa. Okay. You're like that with your arms out.
Okay.
You can help.
But I can help you get up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna laugh.
I think I might break something.
No!
My legs. No, I'm ready. We're okay. Oh, please.
Okay.
Come check on
Okay.
us. Come check on us. Okay, out you go. Out you go.
Okay. I think we should try it one more. You want me to do the squat?
I'll try it again.
Do you need balance?
No, I'm balanced.
Okay, here I go.
It's
Okay.
holding it with
One push.
weight. One, go. It's falling into your butt.
Just for fun, I wanna see if we
Okay.
can flip it. My legs are gonna be so sore.
Okay.
Okay.
It's like airplane.
Yeah.
It's like airplane.
Okay. Okay, I'll lift you. I have to see it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I will. So then.
Let me turn it around so that if I fall, I don't hit that cabinet.
Okay. Difference between this And the airplane, like what you do with little kids, is your body has to be
elevated
and like straight.
Your feet are like on my pelvis, which isn't good because I have a bruise right there.
You have a bruise right there.
Funny story. So I just scooted around and bang! Hit myself.
Really?
In the pelvis, yeah. Okay. I think we did it. They're supposed to be bent a little bit more. Were they bent?
They're like intertwined.
Okay,
and my legs are supposed to be straight, but I can't straighten my legs.
Okay.
Oh, my arms were supposed to be bent. I feel like that's gonna like knock your stomach. Okay. The dogs will be barking the whole time.
I know, I'm sorry about that. Alright.
It's gonna be so easy.
Like, you want me to be on the ground and you go
I don't
up?
think you can.
I have strong legs.
It's 2 reverse push-ups. Gosh, I just have to hold a plank while you just get up.
Basically. The problem is going to be getting up. Funny friend.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Where do my legs go?
Yeah.
Like that?
Except... The only difference is
I don't think you're long enough for this.
So one of the dogs grunted. It sounded like a man.
Is it a man?
Go check.
Is somebody here besides you? Hey.
What the heck is going on here?
You guys want to stay in here?
Get out. If that isn't the most classic London Aisley moment. You have to basically, instead of putting your feet this
My
way,
feet need to be on
on
your
my back, like on my upper back.
And I need to grab your ankles.
Okay.
I'm going to try my best to not fall. Alright.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you're doing it!
Oh, there you go. Nice. No, get down. Okay.
You can like kind of see her face.
I know.
Okay. It's just going to be a weird photo. Alright, that's
Alright, ready?
what we're doing. I have to grab onto my ankles.
What the heck? Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
I don't think it will work. I don't think this will work. My feet have to go straight.
Put your legs up.
That's not the right way, though.
No. Just the watch. Trust the method.
I'm trusting the method. No, it's not gonna work. Rudy, leave me alone.
No kisses cannot come to you.
I think this is a wrap.
I think it is too. Come here, let's go say bye to the... Let's go, come here. No, over here. Look,
Rudy. We'll do it this way.
look. Oh.
Thanks for watching. Please like. Please subscribe. I'm gonna get reported for animal abuse. Kisses. Give me kisses.
See, she loves.